Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to pay monthly using PayPal in 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up and managing your monthly payments using PayPal. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, you can create it by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Once you have your account set up, you can proceed to the next step. First, you need to link your bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This will be the source of your monthly payments. To do this, log in to your PayPal account and click on the Wallet tab, then click on Link a Card or Bank and follow the instructions to add your payment method. Next, you need to find the merchant or seller you want to pay monthly and check if they accept PayPal payments. Most online merchants accept PayPal, so this should not be a problem. Once you have found the merchant, you can proceed to the checkout process and select PayPal as your payment method. Now you will be redirected to the PayPal website where you can log into your account and review your payment details. Make sure to select the payment method you linked earlier and confirm the payment amount and frequency. You can choose to pay monthly on a specific date or on the anniversary of your initial payment. It is also important to note that PayPal offers a recurring payments feature that allows you to set up automatic monthly payments. This way you don't have to worry about missing a payment or having to log into your account every month to make a payment. To set up recurring payments, you need to contact the merchant and ask them to set up a recurring payment profile for you. Additionally, you can also use the PayPal Billing Agreements feature to set up automatic payments. This feature allows you to authorize a merchant to charge your account on a recurring basis. To set up a billing agreement, you need to log in to your PayPal account and click on the Settings tab, then click on Payments and select Billing Agreements. In conclusion, paying monthly using PayPal is a convenient and secure way to manage your payments. By following these steps, you can set up and manage your monthly payments using PayPal. Remember to always review your payment details and confirm the payment amount and frequency before confirming the payment.